Want to save time, resources, and avoid any delays? We made it easy for you. Now you can access full product catalogs and place your orders from any device, anywhere, in real time with zero communication delay through Logicom's e-commerce platform. You just need to log into your Logicom e-commerce account. Select the products of your choice going through the homepage, the catalog, or the brand menus. Then move the products you are interested in to add to cart, along with quantities. So easy! Next, you can either view shopping cart or proceed with checkout. When clicking on View Shopping Cart, you can amend your order before submission, increase or decrease quantities, enter a discount code if applicable, recalculate your shopping cart to check the final balance following any changes, and then proceed to checkout. When clicking the Proceed to Checkout button, you'll be able to choose shipping information, choose the delivery method through the shipping options available in your region, and finally review your order before submitting it. Finally, you just need to click the button Submit Order. At that point, you'll receive an email confirming your order. Need to edit an order? You can do it before being processed by following these quick steps. 1. Log into your account. 2. Click on My Orders. 3. Find the order to be edited and click on View Details. 4. Click the button Edit, which is available only if the order is still not processed. 5. You'll be forwarded to the live store where you can edit your order in the shopping cart. You are now able to increase or decrease quantities, add products, remove products, enter a discount code, and then proceed to checkout. Join the Logicom's e-commerce platform today and place your orders anywhere, anytime. Logicom Distribution. Partners in your success.